What's up, guys? Hope you're doing great. Welcome to another vlog. And today I'll be showing you all the ab workout that I incorporated early on to get the six-pack abs I have today. So I'll be dividing the workout into upper abs, lower abs, and then obliques. So you'll know what ab workout you have to hit for what part of the abs that you want to grow. So let's get going.
A small disclaimer, I am not a certified fitness trainer. I'm just showing y'all what has worked for me. So the first exercise is crunches. Pull yourself up, hold for 2 seconds and then down. So you don't go all the way up, you go halfway, hold and then get back. So this hits your upper abs. So next on we have leg raises. You lie flat, raise your leg 90 degrees and then back. So this is gonna hit your lower abs. Each of these exercises I'm mentioning, you could ideally do it for 3 sets of 8 repetitions each. So next on we have cross crunches. The way I am doing right here, I feel hits my obliques the best, so I use this. This isn't a beginner ab workout I can say, but it needs a little core strength to do it, but it hits your lower abs and obliques the right way. And of course I had to show you all my go-to ab workout. So this is it. It requires a great amount of core strength, but yeah, here you go.
My grip is loose.
Just another day in college.
Anna, tale ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ paint ಮಾಡಿ. Your bike, bro? You forgot where's your bike already? The past new bike, guys. Look at this. BMW G310.
Okay, can't drive more, the watchman is gonna kick us out.
So we're gonna get a Polaroid clip. Excuse me, can you come click the picture somewhere else? We don't want this background.
Where you want me to?
Somewhere out there or somewhere.
The green.
Yeah, we just don't want this pink background, that's it. You're posing here. Where's the photographer, bro?
We have been taking Polaroids for the last.
Photographer is 8. Bro, I didn't want to do doctor driving in the car later for some time. Erin, doctor driving.
Aaron wants to ride the car.
Doctor.
Bro, usually do.
Right from doctor driving to C63 AMG. How do you feel?
You're moving, bro.
Here, welcome friend.
Like, share, subscribe, Anurag Nandesh. Oh, Sheila's 5 rupees from me.
Featuring Shan.
Roommate of Anurag Nandesh. I stole Shan. Hey, matching.
So we are at Nandini's drinking coffee. And this is the last hour.
Anurag.
So if you like the vlog, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe. A big thank you to everyone who is subscribed to my YouTube channel. Sadly, YouTube doesn't let me see you subscribe, so that's a thing. But thank you all. I shoot these videos for my memories, and I show a very small part of my life in these videos. So I'll probably continue doing this, and let's see where it goes. So thank you everyone. See you. Bye bye.